XXTOYS Dino Egg Dig Kit Dinosaur Eggs Jumbo Dino Egg with 12 different dinosaur toys. Dino Egg Kit for kids with 6 digging tools. Party archaeology, paleontology, educational science gift for age 3 to 5. Boy toys, kids toys for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 years old, airplane launcher toys for boys, outdoor flying toys, birthday gifts for boys girls, bubble catapult plane, one-click ejection foam planes, blaster. Each super plane launcher flying toy pack include 8 glider foam planes, 8 foam darts, which are made of EPP polymer materials, lightweight, flexible and impact resistant. Even if the airplane landed on him/her, won't harm your child. At the same time small in size, easy to carry, perfect airplane toys for 5-year-old boys. How to dig it up? To get a little messy with the Dino Eggs Dig Kit, I would suggest you to put some tablecloths on the table first or do it outside. To soak the dinosaur dig eggs in water in 10 minutes, and excavate it with the chisels and hammers, sweep the dust off with a brush,